against Tatu Chikata. Because now a evidence-based election petition, a evidence-based. When we were talking about it, some of you were comparing it to 2012 election petition. But you forgot say Baumia Aircon now okita over 5,000 pink sheets, 50,000 pink sheets tekitano as evidence. So nobody forced Afarijan into the box, but Asabna ye no, he saw it so credible that when you know Asembeba, so he willingly jumped into the witness box to defend himself and the electoral commission. And nobody could have forced Jim Mensah, and the Jim Mensah team was I will not be in the witness box. Some dump Ghanaians and also Abba can say, hey, I didn't want to witness box and do all the Marco Court. I say, Bramimbisa was a Ukraina and Yanukre. What to be done? In any case, John Dramani Mahama as no kind, no person what say, press a white, the obey evidence. I see a dunketia. Was so munina sabi media nyamna make my mouth is too heavy to utter the words from me myself to them. I will never do that, and you know I don't do that. Nemo pesa white I say dunketia ni rojo nunu mahama asama ko kan was mu mienu nyina sabi munim nyansa because wasi court no ko en onkita hwe nemo no ko ama sabi ne mmoa no na jimifo no a omatu omu agukuro mu nihwe no aka mo down yeah obi a wo kwan ofa sukum ne kra na mom wo so wonim se hwe ni ho na wo kwatena witness box no se bi papa panyin wan you so adwen and you could see Esi Edunketia disgrace totally say Mr. Man, you keep on changing if the figures were right, if the figures were correct. One kasa according to my political party NDC mu figure somebody back out here then it surprises me that you keep on referring to me as the petitioner. I'm not the petitioner. Nonsense. No wonder in his thought he thought say every idiot could go to court. No Kasano said your one wonder he was referring to himself. If not, you wouldn't have mounted the witness box. And the former president Rollins, may his soul rest in peace. Former president Mahama, Asama Okan, say or court just because no per se NDC full soldiers coming down. Just say Esi Edunketia, who witness. Ekwatena box nso ukodia dance yesa ampanwe mu akoso when wunnim nyansa Mahama na eka onyam na meka Pese White John Dramani Mahama former president say wunnim nyansa Rojo Nunu former president Mahama say wunnim nyansa because mo ko no munim samawe and in this case there's some fa sami demfi mo mani mo gu asidada no ekwatena ho na nke aka say enu anu na se papa panyimfo a ye fa mo say asem a ekoi ye ni hwe ka wo ho ye ni evidence bia nanso mo ngo gina adaka nu na Kabino na osimunim nyansa John Dramani Mahama na eka kire mu media mintimi nkasa kire mu na emo mi kire mu. I've already said say if you patiently dissect an ant you will see its intestine what the botayene to was ye da aboantatia na nso brebo me bia abonuma nyina wo be mu ene ye de to was ye dwa asem okoka ye nu now it is John Dramani Mahama to me being a no catch that said in Ketia Pese White in Rojo Nunu so munim nyansa. That is why he could manipulate you. Say, go sit there. O de do beba timbiaka and I'm better ho kasa yes a whole professor. Pese White betina say nipa ya suma will say go guard against our enemy. Now corner enemy na suma say koko catch red or suma ona nyansa mbra na nka wo so asore na okọ. No wonder John Dramani Mahama can't say munim nyansa. No wonder. Because clear according to some say munda ho clear say as small mon say mudi nyansa to one come on mad that because now credibility was at stake. You never mind, you never care. You thought Sasama John Dramani Mahama, former president Ekokan US say Oko ye nkura kitinkiti o mumo brad da US nkura kitinkiti and the Bisan say, Dada, after the election 2020, according to resource, it is the most credible election Ghana has ever had. Why then did you take or lead the NDC to court. We need evidence. Dia ko gu ye ni ma se ma ne ye ni MPP for kasa akwaya packet o munya de share mfia na ya yemre ade na ko gu ye ni ma sesa and our former president ebie na no me say we rep this flag at the papa bia be bo man Ghana bia de ye be ka ho asem. Nobody is above criticism, but criticize constructively. Ghana youth mama ye hunu se recently we dey me di twam MP bako edisika o UK ya che no. One we say broni de aba betena so. We dag ye tutu amena ye call ya ko hu ye. Omo de ba na omo te so. We are not saying say corruption cause wo ye mamu me enka. Na mom ye ka as ye say enya time obi nye say ye be ka abefua no so. Sa na ye ka no. Enti okoye na omo bisa ne sa no me to ma asem so no. Nanka me ye John Dramani Mahama nyamie ni nka me kasa I just laugh ma ka say and ye be kasa, but he boldly stood before camera and o ka kire o say muti o kasa na o kan no me ka me nita the born voice na mo kasa na o kan no me ka na fe ya fa to pon so ababa mu baako and o ka kire o say enkodai de mo ka no ewom court de woni evidence a wontimi nko court e evidence na kasa o court na mom NDC fo no na omagimia followers no some we dey manu su some omagimia to the extent say okura wo man kura opata wo man pata enti gisa me ye bibi na afi maka mo down no mo kọ akwa tenefi enti de na ekoso he ne say okay fine ya to ase na bibi na wo ye no wankasa na wo nyina so o say na me ka say I thought na me ka say tio asama wo ka no na me ka say wiamu because that means onu ankasa ni mu no watena se hu say election was free and fair. This is language. Na me ka say wafa, that means wamfa. Na me ka say edaha, that means enaho. Na minim say mekwa akoto no, that means me kwa ma akoto no. So for former president John Dramani Mahama to have said that when his speech, he said, "Na me can say kronubi koso no means kronubia ankoso." And we catch it one. And he said, now only evidence I also there some no. We see, the be catch it say, being a lawyer, a good lawyer, being a good lawyer, also until say, ye the assembly lawyers panel munim deno. Omutimi hwa asem ni din hu se odi fontom se ye no out of court settlement. Asem with me as a lawyer, my credibility is at stake. So me kwana me lose because me lose from day one. What I say, I will not go to court. Nemum ye other party in Kasane out of court settlement. Krachi good for yen person be kwanso. This is a good lawyer because a good lawyer must also know a case or the court. Yes, yes, so your lawyer obi sorry ya sebi dia sembia brano sorry di no, and at Tatuchika also throw book about Ghana Constitution. And one who said it was an advantage to test all the laws or to test our constitution. And you know, a buy was a crime with them, but no him say or break it down the credibility. Now, as some call 2020, even Akoda won law, Hunyan Sakura could have gone there to win the case.